Okay, what's up guys? I don't know what we're doing. It's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain actually pretty good for a while, but we're on our way to Jason's because Wyatt and Josh want to ride. They said they're waiting to rain out. It's not raining here yet. It just was. It was sprinkling, but it stopped. So I was like, if we're gonna ride, I better make a break for it and get to Jason's because Jason doesn't know where Wyatt lives, so I can't just meet him there. So I'm gonna try and make a break for Jason's house, snatch Jason up, go on over to Wyatt's house and see what we're gonna do. Because right now it's not looking good. It's on the right. Right now, sorry, I like burped or something. Oh, it did it again. It's a hiccup. Oh, Chick-fil-A, why you so good, man? Anyway, it doesn't look good. It looks like it's raining right there. So I don't know what we're gonna do, especially if it rains. So I'm just kind of winging it, I guess. Wish my Jeep was done. I would just drive it around. I think that would be fun, like drive around with no doors on it. So you can tell it's raining, sprinkling all over me. Just, I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. I don't know why we're riding today. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain hard. So I don't know. Like we've all looked at the radar. We all looked at the weather radar, and everybody's like saying different things, looking at the same radar. But it seems it's gonna rain so and so. It's like, bro, but it looks like it's gonna rain now. It looks like it's about to pour. Oh man, it don't look that bad here. What looks pretty bad here? I swear, I swear. Oh dude, a tree. Oh, they're cutting it down. There's a dude way up there. That dude was like in the tree cutting limbs down. I seen the limb fall and I was like, whoa, what is that? And then I look up, there's a guy like hanging in a tree up there, chilling. Please don't pull out in front of me. Cloud, man. I got raindrops on my helmet. Raindrops keep falling on my head. But all my buddies still acting like they wanna ride their Groms in the storms. Raindrops keep falling on my helmet, they keep falling, but I keep riding. I swear, if it pours and I have nowhere to stop, I'm gonna be pissed. I did bring my waterproof bag to throw my GoPro and my phone in just in case. It looks like it's raining right here. Dude. Look at the rain, like the road is wet. Why don't I just stay home? I felt like it started raining like kind of hard for a second. I was like, oh crap, I was about to turn around. I don't get why they want to ride today. I'd rather stay home and play some video games. Edit some videos. I got a bunch of videos. I don't know. My luck is we're gonna get rained out. My handlebars are so crooked. that's what I keep feeling like every time. Like I'm trying to keep my handlebars straight, but when I like lean this way, they like go crooked. They feel crooked to me right now when I'm driving straight anyway. Ugh. Triple tree bent fork problems. Triple tree's not bent, my fork is. Yeah, it just feels weird. I feel like it's loose. Is it loose? I don't know, it'd be loose. No, it's not loose. Anywhere in first. Old interstate. I honestly, I don't know why they want to ride. I don't know. Maybe we'll have some fun. And it's windy. So windy. I was at my house and I was like sitting in my driveway, it was sprinkling a little bit, and I was like, I don't know, they really want to ride today. So I like sent the picture and the message. I was like, are y'all really wanting to ride? They were like, yeah man, it's not really doing anything here. Oh my jeez, look at the rain. That is insane. I gotta get to Jason's house. It's raining all through there. I could feel it now. It's right there. I gotta hurry up. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Dang it. I don't have my waterproof housing on my damn GoPro, so I'll just pull into this gas station right here. Dim. Well, so it started pouring down rain. As soon as I got to that gas station, that's when I shut off the camera. It's been raining ever since, so I just kind of, shit, I just ran off the road. At least I was only going 2. So I was like, you know what, I'm going home. This sucks. Because I don't have a front fender, so it's just throwing water on me. That's annoying as hell. So I'm soaking wet, getting more soaking wet, and it's like hitting my GoPro. It's making me mad. I do want to try like a rolling burnout here. What the fuck? Come on. It's fucking raining. You ain't got no tread. Do a burnout. Why? I guess the road's too sticky or something, I don't know. But anyway, so every time I get into like water like this, and I'm going over 2 miles an hour, just throws it up on me like I'm taking a shower, and I don't want to take a shower. And it's getting my GoPro wet. Is that somebody turning down this road? No. I thought somebody was turning down this road. It's like, I'm only going 3, so sorry. Oh my jeez, man, this This is miserable right here. But anyway, I'm trying to like steer clear of the water with my GoPro, so I'm looking off to the side because it's right here. It's coming straight up. And like this road is super uneven, so the water's just running every fucking where, so. And nobody's left the house yet. That's what makes me mad. Like everybody is sitting at their house still. It's not raining, bro. Come on. So I get out on my bike and it fucking pours. And I get caught. And everybody's like, oh, it's not raining here. I'm like, oh, it's fucking raining here, buddy. Now I'm having to deal with this water in the eyes bullshit. Why? I should have just like stayed in the driveway like everybody else did. Just should have just stayed there and just waited. That's what I should have did, because now I got to deal with this shit. No fender life right here. Don't ever take your front fender off, ladies and gentlemen, or don't crash your bike and your fender don't fit back on your bike. That's what I should say, I guess. Redonkulous. I got a slick tire, so I can't go over like 2, because if I do, I start sliding everywhere. Except for back there, I wouldn't do a rolling burnout. That was stupid. But it'll slide and scare the shit out of me. So I got a great idea. Yeah, my GoPro is getting soaked. I'm gonna have to cut this off. Oh gosh, man. Just don't want to crash. I have a pinched nerve, making my arms hurt. I really just don't want to crash and just like mess everything up and be hurting more than I already am. So say it, Crash. Yell at him. Crash is mad too. I got him out in the rain. Oh jeez. Oh look, mud and water mixed together. Yes. That's my shit. That's my shit. If I didn't have a rolling start, I wouldn't have got up that hill. Because it's so slick. Anyway, if you like today's rainy video, give me a like, comment, a like on the video. Sorry about the shortness of the video, just, you know, having to take my time. There's a car behind me. Damn it. That's so annoying. When you're trying to get home anyway. And it's raining. And there's water like fucking throwing up on my eyeballs. Miserable day. Miserable. Sorry about the hand in front of the camera lens here, but I don't want my GoPro messed up. It's the only camera I got. I don't want to have to buy a new one right now. Straight across. There we go. Look at that. It's raining so bad. Why did I get out on the road? I do not know why. I don't know. Looks like a track out there. I think they're just like flattening the ground there. They're probably gonna put something there, if I had to guess. I wanted to go ride around in there. I thought about it and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna ride around, have a bunch of fun, and then it's gonna pour down rain and I'm gonna be stuck. I'm soaked. This was not my plan. Josh texts me, he's like, I'll ride to your house. I was like, I bet you would, buddy. Take off. And he's like, it's not raining here. Well, it's raining here. But anyway, this is one of those rainy day videos. I would say I would just like save this video for a rainy day, but it's raining today, so might as well upload it. I know I'm uploading a video today. I'll probably upload this one tomorrow, and I got another video and another video, and also I got the drone video. I'm gonna edit it. It's only gonna be like a couple of minutes, but it's gonna be really cool to put on the channel. And here we go with the water in the eyeballs again. The eyeball is. Get my eyeball is wet. Alright. This road flings up water like you're in a fucking shower, so I'm gonna end today's video right here. And I'll pick up maybe tomorrow. I know I'm supposed to go fly my drone around tomorrow and play around with it, so if it don't rain, I'll be flying the drone tomorrow for a little bit, and then we'll probably ride too, if I had to guess, since we're not riding today. Then again, we might get out later. I do not know. It's always random when we go ride, so maybe. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later when it's sunny. You know, there's one thing I do. I was like, complain that I complain when it's sunny and complain when it's raining. There's no in between. Not right now, anyway. Oh my jeez, man, it's raining up here. Dum 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 dum.